Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare the Audi R8 versus Mustang GT. The Audi R8, with its mid-engine layout, delivers incredible acceleration, often reaching 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. The Mustang GT, while also powerful, offers a more traditional front-engine, rear-wheel drive experience. Both cars provide exhilarating performance, but the R8 typically boasts higher top speeds and more refined handling dynamics. It's a choice between supercar precision and muscle car thrill. Moving inside, the Audi R8 presents a sophisticated, driver-centric cockpit with premium materials and advanced technology. Its design emphasizes luxury and a high-end feel. In contrast, the Mustang GT embraces its muscle car heritage with a more robust, yet still modern interior. You'll find comfortable seating in both, but the R8 leans towards refined elegance, while the Mustang GT offers a sportier, more accessible aesthetic. When it comes to cost, the Audi R8 commands a premium, often starting at over $150,000. The Mustang GT, however, provides incredible performance for a fraction of that, typically starting around $40,000. This makes the Mustang GT an outstanding value proposition for many enthusiasts. Factor in potential maintenance costs and depreciation, as these can vary significantly between a supercar and a high-performance sports car. Ultimately, the driving experience defines these cars. The Audi R8 offers a refined, high-tech, all-wheel drive experience with incredible grip and precision. The Mustang GT delivers raw, visceral power and an engaging rear-wheel drive feel, perfect for those who love a traditional muscle car. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize supercar sophistication or accessible, thrilling power. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.